Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Andrew the Plumber. So in this episode, I got lucky and sold this job, a complete HVAC installation, a replacement. So we're replacing condenser, a high efficiency gas furnace. We're gonna put a new line set. We're gonna replace this disconnect box, new whip. So we're gonna hook this lady up. We're gonna do a good job for her, so the new system lasts a long time. So the old system was 2.5 ton condenser. It was ran by R22. So the first thing that we did was we recovered 4 pounds of R22, and we shut off the breaker in the house at the panel, made sure there's no power before touching the wires. We disconnected everything. So now we're disconnecting the furnace. Here's the new furnace. Here's the old furnace. We're gonna have to upgrade this exhaust to proper material. So that's a job that I got, guys. So if you like these types of videos, please keep watching. So this is the completed installation of that single stage high efficiency Goodman furnace that we did for this very nice lady. So we had to, this is new refrigerant, A2L refrigerant. So we had to replace the line set. I know some people say that you can leave the old line set, but we made a decision to replace the line set so our client doesn't have any issues for many years to come. So here we'll run the new line set. Goes out that way. Here's the new 2.5 ton condenser. We also installed a new disconnect box with a new whip, and we'll run a new thermostat wire just to be on the safe side. And here's the beautiful line set. We seal the hole. So inside we also had to repipe the exhaust with a proper flue material. That's a new code in Massachusetts, because we're pulling a gas permit on this furnace to be on the safe side, and we always pull permits, unlike some of the companies that just do the job without the permits. Also, here's the condensate neutralizer, condensate pump. It's wired with the safety switch. It's a nice 96.1% furnace. It's all been tested and puts out heat and air conditioning. And we also install a new thermostat for the lady to top off the job. And to make it, to even sweeten the deal for this beautiful old lady, we gave her a free brand new toilet included in the job. So here's a nice thermostat. It's a ProStat. You can program it. You can program it. Here's a beautiful brand new toilet that we installed for the lady at no additional charge. So yeah, if you're in the Boston, north of Boston area, and you need an HVAC, air conditioning or heating, or boiler, water heater, or any plumbing, new construction, please don't hesitate and give us a call at 781-558-4680. Stay safe and thank you for watching. Peace.
Okay. Mentolia. Basile.
So, what did we do for you, Mintolia?
What day?
What did Charlene Plumbing do for you?
Good job.
Good job?
Yeah.
And what exactly did we do?
Oh, okay.
We installed a furnace for you
Yes.
and air conditioning,
Yes.
and we did all new parts and also included a new thermostat for you.
But I never have picture for that.
Your thermostat is right here on the wall.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not interested about that.
So you're happy about our company and the job that we did?
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much.